Hi everyone, I'm Kim Hasok, and today we're making a zebra cake, which I'm trying for the first time. So let's hope that we won't burn anything. So let's do this. These are the ingredients: 5 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of boiled cocoa, 1 teaspoon of soda, 1 teaspoon of vanillin, 500 grams of yogurt or sour cream, I don't know, and roughly 400-500 grams of flour. Let's get started by beating the eggs with a mixer. We're adding 1 cup of sugar and continue mixing. We're adding the yogurt or the sour cream and continue mixing. Adding the oil. Continue mixing. Now let's add the 1 cup of flour. Let's add 1 more cup of flour and mix it. Let's stir cocoa into one and vanilla into the other part. On this part with vanilla, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of flour. I'm gonna mix each of them with the spoon. This is how they look like after mixing. For the zebra, we're adding 1 spoon of the black one and 1 spoon of the white one. This is really hard, but I'm gonna do that. It's really hard, cause what do you mean this is how it looks like for after 20 minutes. Let's continue. How it looks like after 40 minutes. And now it's the time for drawing lines. This is like the hardest part. I'm so proud of myself. Look how good it looks. Now let's bake it. Baking for like 20 minutes and 220 degrees. Now let's check how it looks like. Wow. Something like this. Wow, it looks gorgeous. Look how gorgeous that looks. It better be delicious. And this is my first time of making a zebra cake, and I'm really proud of myself. Wow. My zebra cake is ready. Now let's try it. Now I'm gonna cut it following the lines. Ready? Let's go. Wow, looks amazing. Let's try it on. It really looks gorgeous. Now is the time for trying. Let's try it. Cheers. Delicious. Yeah, it's delicious. I'm proud of myself. Come on, try. And now for the end, since we have an amazing zebra cake, it's the real time for the party. Yeah. And please like the video and subscribe. See you soon.